Hi, this is John on behalf of expertvillage.com. In this video clip, I will be talking about personal safety. First off, you want to make sure that your clothing is fairly snug. Any loose or baggy clothing can easily get caught up in the machine. You also want to make sure that you're wearing a good pair of jeans and a good pair of leather shoes as well. You want to make sure that you always have a pair of safety glasses on, and if you go out and look for safety glasses, you want to make sure that they're Z87 approved. If they're not Z87, there's a good chance that they're not going to protect your eyes in case something happens. Lastly, thickness planers are quite loud, so you might want to get a pair of ear protection as well.